Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Actually, in the evening, I get back home from my school. Getting back home, I get fresh and take my snack. After saying my Maghrib prayer, I start my homework. Completing it, I study reference book or enjoy television along with my parents. And that's all.
Thank you so much for joining today's class. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and try to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, have a good time. Goodbye.